Okay guys, on the menu for today is Friday. It's a beautiful day. They say that tropical storm, it's a tropical depression is supposed to be headed our way. Hopefully the weather will hold out until Saturday so we can satisfy our customers. We got something special on the menu. We got a Rolls Royce in for curb rash repair. The customer took it to valet park and the valet people jacked up the wheels. Let me show you. These are some Forgiatis. People who know wheels know these are Giovanni's. Wow, nice. Look at this. Well, we got some rash here. They got it pretty good. The wheels look really great on this car. And we got two on the other side with gouges in it. Let's see. Yeah, they got it pretty good here too. We got rash here. We're going to get rid of this rash. And this one's got the most. You can see the yellow paint where they hit the curb. It's got the most rash there. Well, it's husband's car. Wife brought it in. Husband's out of town. Once we get done with these wheels, we'll never know what happened, you know? So we're gonna save her. It's a beautiful, 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 beautiful car. It's a tuxedo paint. This is what they call tuxedo, where it's got the two-tone on the top versus the whole car. This is on the menu for the day. We're gonna bang this out in probably 2 or 3 hours. We got some other cars we're doing work on, but as you see, we focus on a lot of luxury cars. People who have fine luxury cars, they trust us because this is what we do. We got a Mercedes here, we're getting ready to black out the wheels. Got a Bentley we're getting ready to do some work on. And we got a flood car over here. Customer's car got flooded and wow, we're taking the seats out completely. And we're going to clean the seats and clean the interior and clean the carpet. The seats look a mess. I mean, they're horrible. So we're going to detail this up. So not only do we do wheel repair, we do auto detailing as well. So HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. I'll give you the update on these finished product for these wheels. Okay guys, I want to show you the finished product on the wheels. As you can see, the rash on this wheel was from this mark all the way around. As you can see, I'm gonna let you get up close. You can't even tell where the rash was at. This is what we do over here at HoustonWheelRepair.org. This is an up close 360 around the whole entire wheel. Now I'm gonna step back so you can see it's the same wheel. Over here we got the same thing. This one's been finished. You can't even determine where the rash was at. This is why people bring their finer cars to us. We can get it done. It's been 2 hours. My guy's finishing up on this wheel. He's taping it up. He's getting ready to paint the rash. But this is what we do. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. Another reason why we are the best. 713-942-0294. Give us a call. Bring your wheels by. We'll take care of you. Okay, guys. We got the wheel taped up, and my guy has actually cut the rash out of this wheel. I don't know if you can see it, but you can't tell where the rash was at. Now they're getting ready to come back and do the paint work. This is for the Rolls Royce. So that's one wheel down, and we got others to go. Okay guys, want to see the finished product with the wheels on the car. The car is finished. The wheels look awesome. If you take a look, they look great. Customer's very, very happy. Husband's going to be very pleased that the wheels are finished. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. Another reason why we are the best.